and academic orientation, all of which aims to ensure equal learning, achievement, and a subsequent life opportunities. Now we will cover significance of the study. See, gender equality impacts the ability of the learners to assess and participate in the quality educations. Providing man and woman equal access to education is critical for breaking the cycle of poverty. Then promoting some gender equality is the same as giving good classroom management. Now, objective of the study, you can see, we have to know the importance of the gender equality in the classroom situations. Practice identifying gender bias in the classroom. How we will maintain the gender bias in the classroom. Then understand how to establish equal classroom learning environment. Discussing classroom strategies to promote the gender equality. So, see, for maintaining the gender equality, we are facing some issues and challenges. What are some issues and challenges we are facing on that? First number, you can see biased student-teacher interaction. It is found that male class teacher often call only male student to answer the question. कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि we are male अगर teacher होगा तो they are preferring the male. So this is some gender bias always coming in the classroom. Some language used by the teacher. You can see basically knowingly or unknowingly the school teacher are using some language which is especially gender bias. He, she, you stand up like that. Okay. And learning materials, you can see school textbook, content, curricular, teaching and learning materials are not completely free from the gender basis. In classroom management also you can see that you will see that in classroom की कुछ boys एक जगह पे बैठे हुए in one side and in the one sided class girls are sitting. So this is also you can see that all the male students sitting together on the one side of the class and all of the female students sitting together in the other side. Then gender, next one is gender and hidden curriculum. Hidden, what is the meaning of the hidden curriculum? It is integrated to content of the subject, but in many cases content, learning activity, learning objective which are putting in the curriculum not reflecting the needs and importance of the both student. In sometimes what happens curriculum में बहुत सारे हम content डाल देते हैं जो इतना important नहीं होता. Next, issue of transgender you can see. Sometimes transgender also there, so we should also give equal importance to transgender also. Then single sex setting, you can see the issue of co-education and the single sex setting in the teaching and learning is a wide blame over the country in the age of demand for the equality. Now we also come to the method of the assessment and evaluation. When is coming under the evaluations, what you have to see that gender stereotype question pattern in the examination. Sometimes we are seeing in the examination कि कुछ question ऐसे होते हैं जो gender bias होते हैं. ठीक है, knowingly or unknowingly इस gender bias is coming in the pattern of the examination also. So then you can see that continuous classroom assessment, teacher often become biased in favor of some student on the gender bias for the comprehensive evaluations. The problem of the boys in gender inequality. Now focus is giving more of the equity on the gender basis. See now gender basis को हम बहुत importance दे रहे हैं अभी आजकल, ठीक है? To bring the gender the mainstream of the education which creates an imbalance of equality in teaching and learning in the classroom situations. Next. Gender studies teacher education, they should be taught gender educations in their syllabus for concerning the class teaching with effective manners by balancing the gender equality. Now the policy development is also very much important. हमें कुछ ऐसे policy develop करनी चाहिए. It should be that gender free. The solution of all the gender issue in education will be possible to be implemented when proper steps will be taken. अगर हम proper step लेंगे, कुछ हम policy develop कर सके for gender, ताकि gender जो bias differences को हम खत्म कर सके. So that we can finish this gender differences. Let's so the time to balance equality opportunity as well as equity in education from class root level. तो अगर हम gender difference को खत्म करना चाहते हैं तो first we have to start from the class level, school level. ठीक है? Next. Now see gender inequality is given by the education by the UNESCO. What is coming in the gender inequality? Assets, retention, success, career choices and career opportunities. Next. Now see, mainstreaming when they are coming, that what is the mainstreaming gender equality in the system-wide teacher education is for the two main reasons. The first reason is gender equality is a priority on the international development agenda. Number two, teachers are the central. See, these depend on the teacher because teachers are playing a very central role. The teachers are the central to the education system for the key role they play in the transmission of the value, knowledge, and the development of the human potential and the skill. Next. Now see what is the tip for the learning environment. environment. How we can create the situation in the classroom, in the environment, so that gender bias difference कम होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? First number C, teacher can create the appearance of the gender bias through the unintentional non-verbal action. Teacher can do the non-verbal actions. So the first step to correcting the problem is to organize your classroom in the way that all the students feel equally. सभी को equally feel होना चाहिए कि कोई boys नहीं है, कोई girls नहीं है, कोई no difference should be created in the environment. Establish rules for all the students regardless of the gender. Then classroom seating plan that support equal participation. हमें classroom situations को ऐसे adjust करना चाहिए ताकि all students can participate equally. Now you can also have equal academic and behavior expectation for all the students so that boys and girls both equally participate in any activities. Then use a group for conduct classes के classroom में ताकि differences ना आए. Now see for the classroom strategy भी आप देख सकते हैं. Addressing the student equally. Then use a gender neutral language. See as a teacher we have to use a gender neutral language. हमें किसी को prefer नहीं करना कि boys हो girls हो. We should use a neutral language. Body language is also very much important. The equality, equity, justice is very much important for all the boys and girls. Now see how to we have discussed the kids and learning environment, how to create the environment in the situations. Now what is the way to promote the gender equality? हम कैसे gender equality को promote कर सकते हैं? First of all, very much important. As we know that कि children are learning from the home only. Because the home is the primary. स्कूल से पहले चिल्ड्रन घर में ही सीखते हैं तो हम घर में ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करेंगे जिससे क्रिएटिंग एनवायरनमेट इन द होम दैट ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स चिल्ड्रन हु ग्रो अप इन द जेंडर इक्विटेबल एनवायरनमेंट टेंड टू बिलीव इन जेंडर स्टेरियोटाइप लेस देन द देयर पीयर्स हु ग्रो इन द जेंडर इक्विटेबल एनवायरनमेंट. तो हमें घर में ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना चाहिए जहां पे जेंडर को कोई डिफरेंसेस ना हो, हम सभी को इक्वली ट्रीट करें. नेक्स्ट थिंग इनवाइट जेंडर प्रमोट जेंडर इक्वालिटी एट होम. तो ये पहले डिस्कस कर चुकी हमें होम में ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना ताकि बच्चों को लगे कि हाँ कि सभी को इक्वली ट्रीट किया जा रहा है, ठीक है. नाउ टॉक अबाउट द जेंडर इश्यूज इन एज एप्रोप्रिएट टेस्ट. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द पेरेंट्स को डिस्कस करना चाहिए बच्चों के साथ. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दे शुड टॉक फ्रीली टू द बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स so that gender related issue in the appropriate manner so that they grow up to become gender aware, gender responsive and respectful. Last one you can see imbibe gender equality and respect are the core values. बच्चों के मन में ये जो respectness, सबको respect करना, ये बच्चों को this is a core value given to the children और इसको हमें पहले बचपन से ही inculcate करना चाहिए, ठीक है. तो mutual respect for all the irrespective of the sex, caste, socio-economic status, religion and educational status. There are core values which should be given in the children from the primary stage only. At last we can say that there is a need to be more aware of the challenges women and girls in our country still face. Still we are facing the problem. Okay? So whatever the society can do to make a more gender sensitive environment, bust stereotype and make our children whether boys and girls more gender friendly. So हमें gender friendly environment create करना है. It's very much important for the development of the society. This is the reference last one. The last quote given by this Kofi Annan that gender equality is more than a goal in itself. It is a precondition